Is it me, or is there just so many scams out there right now? I keep getting messages on my phone, in my emails, just trying to grab all my financial information. And here's the thing, it is way easier now than ever before for those scammers to get your financial data. So, if you want to protect yourself from these financial scams, stay tuned for the rest of this video and let me know in the comments which tip you're going to implement today. If you like this content, please subscribe to this channel. I am Bernadette Joy, your millionaire mentor, and you can find more financial education tools at crushyourmoneygoals.com.
What is up, amazing humans? It is Bernadette Joy, and today we are diving into the digital world of e-payments. So, thinking about our money buckets, let's talk about how to guard your green while using the money in your bucket of present choices. Grab your virtual seatbelts because we are about to embark on a journey to protect that hard earned green in our digital world. And protecting your information, especially your personal information, is like putting a shield around your cash. Let's talk about some of the awesome ways to keep your digits safe while using e-payment platforms like Venmo and Cash App. I'm going to share with you my 5 superhero tips to stay safe in e-payment platforms. So let's talk about step number 1, superhero passwords. Picture this. You're the superhero in our digital world. What's your superhero name? But more importantly, what is your superhero password? Please, none of that password 1, 2, 3, 4. Please, let's not do that. I want you to be bold. I want you to be creative. I want you to mix uppercase with lowercase, throw in some symbols. This is your digital cape. And so here is my superhero tip. Ta-da! If you like this content, please go ahead and check out my latest project. It's the Crush Your Money Goals book, and it will be available for purchase December. But now you can get it for pre order, and you can learn the 25 money habits that will help you save, invest, and plan for financial freedom the same way that I did and was able to retire by 40. Check it out at crushyourmoneygoals.com. Change your password at least every 6 months. It's like upgrading your superhero gear. Stay one step ahead of the bad guys. Let's talk about step number 2, two-factor sidekick. Every superhero needs a sidekick, right? Enter two-factor authentication. This is your digital sidekick. It's like having an extra layer of protection. So even if someone manages to crack your password, they still need a secret code. Talk about a strong fortress. Turn it on. It's like giving your sidekick an extra superpower. Safety first, always. It can be using your fingerprint. It can be sending a text to your phone after you enter your password, or you can use a tool like Google Authenticator as a way to have multiple two-factor authentications in just one app. Now let's talk about step number 3, your secret identity, AKA your privacy settings. Here's my privacy tip. Customize your settings on your phone. And on any e-payment platform, only share the absolute necessary information. No need to have extra information. Your digital fortress, your rules. The digital playground. Not everyone has good intentions. And so we need to watch out for what I like to call cyber villains. And so here is my scam tip for you. Be skeptical, be aware, trust your instincts. You are smart. Your gut feeling is like a superhero sense. Do not ignore it. If you receive an email or a text message from a stranger asking for any sort of money, do not fall for it. Recognizing phishing scams like a pro is so important in today's world. If it smells fishy, guess what? It probably is. And now let's talk about the last superhero tip, helping with the ultimate team up. Report suspicious activity. Here's the deal. There are no real superheroes that go at it alone. So if you spot something sus, report it. Be the hero that the digital community deserves. So here is my reporting tip for you. Please do not be shy. Help your fellow heroes out. It is a team effort. Report any suspicious activity to your bank. I know it might be a pain to call customer service, but it is better safe than sorry, and you are helping out all the other people from falling into their trap. And there you have it, incredible minds. This was your guide to guard your green in the digital universe. Stay smart, stay focused, and keep being the amazing superheroes that you are. Until next time, it's your girl, Bernadette Joy, signing off.